Welcome back to the Fish Hunt and Camp YouTube channel, and today we're going to be making a camping meal that's very easy, white chicken chili. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to take these chicken breasts and we're going to cut off some of the parts that the family I know will not eat, they don't like. We're going to dice it up. We're going to boil it in this pot over here so we can shred it up later.
For this recipe, you will need chicken breasts, thin slice and boneless and skinless, unless you want to skin it. Cream cheese, diced yellow onions, or you can get an onion and dice it yourself. And for optional, you can put in peppers. We put it in there, but it does not come like that. Garlic, rotel, mild diced tomatoes and green chilies, great northern beans, heavy whipping cream, and this is the smallest container that we can find, but you do not need all of it. Fresh cut whole kernel corn. You will also need chicken broth and a pot of water to boil your chicken in. Now let's get back to the main scene.
All right, I've diced this chicken up to get it to boiling. We're gonna ultimately want to shred the chicken, so it just may work a little easier to get it cooked all the way through a little bit faster. We're gonna let that boil up where we can then mash it up with a fork.
And by the way, it was boiled on a little over 8, so probably about 9. Drop in your onions and peppers if you're using peppers. Use as much as you would like. Stir while cooking. Drain your beans. Pour all chicken broth in. Pour all beans in. When shredding the chicken, you will need a strainer, a fork, and a plate.
So our chicken's been boiling for probably close to 20 minutes. I'm gonna pull it out. It's still gonna cook in the soup, so I'm gonna take it out to shred it up with our fork.
Here's how our soup is looking.
Just make for more surface area for it to melt a little bit faster in the soup. The last one.
Stir around till your cream cheese melts. Pour in your ranch seasoning. Pour in your shredded chicken. Stir in your shredded chicken. Last but definitely not least, heavy whipping cream.
And we're going to use the entire carton.
Stir it in. Cover and let simmer for 15 minutes.
All right, for the taste test. It's a little hot. That's good and creamy.